Jordy. Hey, there's something shiny in there.
What is that?
Whoa, a watch.
Adidas.
Germany?
I don't know.
Here, wear it.
Okay. Maybe you can grant a wish.
Maybe we can teleport.
Oh yeah.
Teleport.
Hey Jordan, what do you think that is?
Jordy, hurry up, a frog. Jordy.
What? I know, I guess.
What was that? It's a frog. It's a frog. Oh God.
Let's catch him. Okay. This goddamn it watch. I just want to get
A frog. Just seriously, you can watch.
Oh my god. I think I did. I gotta capture it. It's so deep.
Oh man, we saw a frog.
Oh yeah, cool.
Where you throw the watch?
I don't know.
No, seriously, where is it? Oh, there.
Watch. My turn. Teleport. I'm not gonna teleport. Just gonna teleport. There. What the? Where are you, PE guy?
Yo, I'm here.
Oh, awesome. I wanna try it again.
Teleport.
What the?
Teleport.
Shit. What the? Oh, dang it. I heard something.